Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're all about outdoor adventures or simply love having a comfy spot anywhere you go, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of convenience and comfort as we explore the best lightweight portable chairs on the market. Stick around to find your perfect, on-the-go seating solution, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. GCI Outdoor Rocker Portable Camping Chair. The GCI Outdoor Freestyle Rocker stands out as a robust and versatile rocking chair, offering superb value for its price. It features a unique rocking mechanism powered by 2 spring-loaded shocks, delivering a smooth and soothing rocking motion, ideal for those who enjoy the comfort of gentle movement without sacrificing the solid support and timeless design of a traditional camping chair. Furthermore, it boasts one of the highest seat positions in its category, nearly 20 inches off the ground, making it accessible for most users to sit down and stand up with ease. While its one-step setup is remarkably straightforward, the Freestyle Rocker is not the most compact when folded, posing challenges for transport. Weighing in at almost 12 pounds, it ranks towards the heavier end compared to other options. Nevertheless, for those who prioritize comfort over portability, the Freestyle Rocker is an outstanding choice for gatherings around the campfire, relaxing on the porch, or lounging in the yard. Its affordability is a significant advantage, particularly considering its potential to withstand years of use with proper maintenance. Pros: soothing rocking motion, supportive back and seat, durable construction, comfortable. Cons: heavy and bulky. Number 2. Coleman Portable Camping Quad Chair. The Coleman Quad Camp Chair emerges as the clear frontrunner for those in search of an economical option in lawn chairs. Its price point is unbeatable, especially when considering the value offered. A supremely comfortable seat crafted from polyester with padding, supported by a robust steel frame capable of holding over 300 pounds. For those still on the fence, the chair's additional amenities are likely to seal the deal. One armrest houses a built-in insulated cooler that can keep up to 4 cans cold, ensuring your drinks stay refreshingly cool. The opposite armrest features a cup holder for an open beverage, and there's a convenient side pocket perfect for storing snacks, reading materials, or keys. The chair's weight at 83 pounds may give pause to those who prefer to trek to their camping spots. However, it's an unparalleled choice for car camping, tailgating, or any event where carrying the chair over long distances isn't necessary. It folds up effortlessly and fits into a carrying bag with a shoulder strap, making it manageable to bring along to a picnic, while the padded seat and armrests offer a comfortable experience for those who prioritize cushioning. Some individuals might find the chair lacks sufficient back support. Number 3. Kajaro Dual Lock Folding Camping Chair. If you're tired of the uncomfortable slump often found in traditional sports chairs, the Kajaro Dual Lock Folding Chair offers a refreshing change. This chair features a mechanism that locks the frame in an open position, ensuring the seat and back fabric remain stretched tight to support a solid sitting surface. The back panel is angled for comfort, encouraging a relaxed posture without sacrificing support. Its superior design, coupled with one of the highest seat elevations we've evaluated, makes the Kajaro exceptionally easy to rise from. Additionally, the hassle of a carry bag is eliminated thanks to an adjustable shoulder strap directly attached to the chair's frame, making it a breeze to lock, lift, and carry. However, the chair's unique design results in a notably long folded form, nearly 4 feet in length, which might pose a slight inconvenience when trying to fit it into a car trunk, though it remains a manageable task. Despite previous concerns about its durability, our latest tests have shown no such issues, reinforcing its robustness. It's time to move on from chairs that encourage poor posture and embrace the upright, ergonomic comfort provided by the Kajaro. Pros: very supportive. Carry strap attached to the back. Easy to get in and out of. Angled back. Cons: not overly durable. Number 4. CLIQ Lightweight Portable Folding Chair. The CLIQ chair bears a striking resemblance to many top picks in the realm of backpacking chairs. However, at a hefty 3.7 pounds, it exceeds the weight threshold most backpackers would consider manageable. Rather, it shines as a supremely portable and versatile option for nearly any other setting you might need a camp chair for, such as the beach, sporting events, and indeed, camping itself. Its robust build and straightforward assembly position it as a prime choice for those in search of durability, coupled with the convenience of a full-size chair that's both lighter and more compact. Although it might look the part, the CLIQ chair doesn't fit the bill as a backpacking chair when compared to the ultralight models we've evaluated. Nonetheless, it stands out as the most portable and convenient option for BBQs, car camping, or sideline cheering from our selection of the best chairs this year, offering comfort, compactness, and collapsibility. The CLIQ chair leaves little to be desired. After spending considerable time with the CLIQ, more so than with other models, I found it challenging to transition to any other chair. Testament to the Clique's superior comfort and design. Number 5. ALPS Mountaineering King Kong Camping Chairs. The ALPS Mountaineering King Kong chair captures our top spot for camping comfort. Being one of the 2 chairs we find supremely cozy, it's always the first pick by our testing crew when it's time to relax by the campfire. Its slight cushioning is perfect for extended sitting, and the seat is notably spacious, albeit a tad prone to sagging. But it's supported by an exceptionally sturdy frame, with a weight capacity listed at 800 pounds, the fabric is reinforced for durability. Our testers were impressed with the chair's practical storage solutions, including dual cup holders, a pair of side pockets, and a small extra pocket behind the headrest, making setup a breeze and virtually instant. However, it's missing a headrest, which might make it less than perfect for napping, yet, for camping, tailgating, fishing, or just about any outdoor activity, this chair is likely to meet all your requirements. If comfort is your priority, and you frequently use chairs specifically for camping and don't mind carrying a little extra weight, the King Kong comes highly recommended. Pros: big and comfortable. Padded seat. Sturdy and durable. Decent storage. Cons: bulky and heavy.